Theft can ruin your home, but now we have this. New sci-fi-like alarm systems are revolutionizing home security. Criminals are getting smarter. They can use lockpicks or just brute force their way into your home. Smart alarms help you protect your home or business. New technology lets you secure doors and windows. You can get live camera feeds straight to your phone. You can feel safe knowing that every inch of your property is guarded. Click the link below to get your free quote today. In the case of serious threats, these smart alarms can even automatically alert the authorities for you so you can focus on immediate issues. They're all customized to secure all the entrances and exits of your property. You can't always rely on your neighbors. Now with a smart alarm system, you can have peace of mind knowing you have a world-class alarm system protecting you and your most treasured belongings. This is perfect for anyone with a home or apartment. It's especially good if you have a family, giving you peace of mind that everyone is protected. And it's very crucial for businesses where you could be targeted by opportunistic thieves. How do you get started? One of the most trusted and effective free online services is Expert Market, which finds and compares leading alarm systems companies in your local area. Say goodbye to unsafe homes and hello to feeling safe. Click the button below now to get your free quote.